So another exciting day. So what some bright spark has decided to do is build this frame here, these double doors. What they've done is built it on top of the timber, as you can see. So what I've got to do now, I've got to cut out around the architraves and everything, because they've put timber on top of the wood on both sides. So I'm stuck today, I can't really go any further. I don't want to pin them down until I've got everything anchored. And so I've got these cuts across this back wall done, and out here as well. So it's all done and finished and anchored in. But obviously here as well, I need to get a board under there. I can't really with that timber there. So tomorrow we will come in and we will pin everything, get the rest of it plied and pinned, and then we will latex this half of the area, or as much of it as we can, and then we are sort of at a standstill again. Obviously we can't move anything from up there down here, because we've got to get that little landing done. And we've got to get this little landing down here done as well, so it's going to be a long one.